Get measuring with lengths and weights in this resource for grades 3 to 5. These task sheets for measurement provides word problems taken from real-life experiences, includes rubrics, teacher guide, and a leveled approach to learning that increases in difficulty as you move through the unit. Compare different long jump results. Try it yourself and measure the results in feet and inches or meters. Measure the length of objects using your hand as a unit of measure. Convert weights from pounds to ounces and kilograms. Find the temperature on Mars based on what the rover recorded. Find the volume of differently sized boxes. Get acquainted with angles by using a protractor. An assessment in the form of a review is included at the end of each unit. The Easy Marking Answer Key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color practice activity sheets completes the resource. Answer questions based on information found on a food label. Measurement task sheets is just one of 4 other strands included in the series for grades 3 to 5. Visit our website to see number and operations, algebra, geometry, and data analysis and probability.